cuties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Jai Junendra Sabiko. I'm Sushma Jain here. This is part 2 of going to India and surprising my family. As well, my best friend reaction video is there in this. So my heart was racing. I kept wondering how are they going to react. Will they recognize me straight away? Let's see. तो अभी हम आ गए घर को. The funniest part, my mom, you can see, she didn't even realize it was me at first. She thought I was another girl who came with my friend. She was so casual. She was like, come inside without even looking properly. Then she looked at me a second time. सब change हो गया. The shock on her face, that moment is something I'll never forget. Seriously, she couldn't believe it was actually me. You can see her crying and the hug was so real. कितने सारे इमोशंस एक साथ आ गए. बहुत ही अनप्रेडिक्टेबल मोमेंट था ये मोमेंट देखने के लिए मैं 1 साल से तैयार थी. एंड दिस वाज द एक्चुअल रिएक्शन व्हेन इट हैपेंड. सो सरप्राइज यहीं पे ख़त्म नहीं हुआ. नेक्स्ट स्टॉप वाज माय डैड शॉप. He had absolutely no idea. You can see I had landed in India. He thought it was just another normal day at work. But he finally looked at me and he just froze. Just look at him. He couldn't believe I was actually standing there. See him. You could see it in his eyes. He kept pretending he wasn't emotional, but I know he was holding back tears. The way that hug said everything. No words were needed. Being away from home teaches you really आपको ये समझाएगा कि ये कभी एक प्लेस की बात नहीं थी. It was always about the people waiting for you there. 1 साल बाद ये हग्स, ये स्माइल उनके चेहरे पे और वो आंसू बहुत वर्थ इट थे. मतलब इतना वेट करने के बाद ये सब देखने मिला. इट वॉज़ वर्थ एवरी सेकेंड ऑफ वेटिंग. तो मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई उनको ऐसे मुझे देख के. वो बहुत खुश हुए वगैरह. सो I was really missing. The main person was my dad. Seeing him made me so happy that you can't even imagine. You can think that how normal that person is, because you can see how normally he dresses, how normally he do not wear any jewels, anything when he have to. So simple person. I'm really blessed. I'm really blessed to have such parents. Even my mom is very simple, but they kept me very happy. They gave me everything I want, but they kept themselves as so simple. I feel like I need to do something, so everything I'm doing now, it's all for them. Hopefully their blessing and you, everyone, my YouTube family who are loving me, who are supporting me, your blessing is most important to grow. Please do support as much as possible. आपका प्यार मेरे पे ऐसा ही रहे हमेशा. So it was time to see my best friend. I came to her home and it was locked. So later, after a few minutes, her mom came and she gave me the key. my girl was sleeping inside. शी वॉज काइंड सिक, सो वो सो रही थी. वो एक्चुअली बीमार थी जब मैं आर्मेनिया में थी. तो शी वॉज लाइक जब तक तू नहीं आएगी मैं नहीं जाएगी हॉस्पिटल दिखाने. ये लड़की ने मेरे स्नैप से लोकेशन देखा और इसको थोड़ा भनक था दैट आई एम कमिंग टू इंडिया. शी वॉज सरप्राइज बिकॉज मैं उसी दिन आ रही हूँ ये पता नहीं था. सो शी स्टार्टेड क्राइंग. शी वॉज हैप्पी अ लॉट. शी वॉज शोइंग दैट कि ऐसा ऐसा हुआ है एंड ऑल. आई रियली लव दिस गर्ल. She is my first child. She was really happy, you can see, meeting me after almost a year. She loves me a lot. Thank you for being part of this emotional journey. If you like this vlog, please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe. More videos will be coming, so stay tuned. Bye bye. मिलते हैं अगले vlog में.